Well, at least today I'm vertical. That beats yesterday by any stretch of the imagination. I honestly thought when I got up this morning, I could just make this a regular day again, but it didn't work out that way. I went to bed about 9 o'clock on Wednesday, and I didn't get up other than to go lay down and take a nap on the couch. I did not get up until 5 o'clock this morning on Friday. I just slept and I didn't eat. I've lost about 4 pounds, which is a good thing, but not the way I wanted to lose it. And so this morning when I got up, I thought, well, I'm not going to go to Panera. I at least have enough sense to stay home and just rest. And by 8 o'clock, when I would typically go up to see my mom in the morning, my temperature was still right at about 100. And I just didn't want to go upstairs with a fever at all. So I have not seen her today. And by 8:30, I was asleep again. And I slept about an hour. And by 11:30, I was asleep again. I slept about an hour. And I understand sleeping is a big part of the healing process. I'm not mad about it at all. But now it's like my body hurts from laying down so much, and I'll probably have to take some kind of nighttime medicine to sleep tonight. I don't know. But I am feeling a lot better. I have eaten a little bit today, not a lot. I didn't want to push it. I've been trying to drink water with the Element additive so that I'm getting some salt and some electrolytes and stuff. As you can tell, I still have this problem with my voice, and I think that's dehydration. I really think that's what that is. And being a little sore from vomiting really, really hard. But needless to say, I didn't even try to make, any kind of storyline video here at the house. I have just been resting. I've been laying down. I've been sitting. I've been doing nothing. And I don't feel guilty about that, just so you know. I hopefully will be able to get out and about tomorrow. Still taking it easy, still, not doing a whole lot. I need to get a haircut. I need to go to the dry cleaners. I need to buy some groceries now that I can eat again. I'm sure my mom's got some groceries I need to get for her and, other little things to do, but nothing that's going to be like massively draining. So give me a couple days to make a couple of short, non-interesting videos while I recover. As long as I'm posting something, I'm happy. And so that's where we're at. But thank you all so much for commenting on yesterday's video, because I didn't think to add a disclaimer that I was feeling better until it went live, because I already had it scheduled, and you can't comment on it when it's scheduled. And so, it's been a relaxing day. It's been a do-nothing day. And so from that standpoint, it's been a great day. And tomorrow it can only be even better. And we'll see you then.